Hi, I'm Chef Rob Bengson, and I'm here to take you on an empowered cooking experience. I will show you how we prepare the meals for Nissan. I'm very excited because I'm one of the first to use the 100% electric Nissan Leaf to power kitchen equipment. For this special occasion, we used the Leaf's vehicle-to-load or V2L technology, which allows it to power anything from appliances to an entire house to help me prepare delicious meals for our media friends. I'm sure that our friends from the media enjoyed these fresh and hot meals powered by the Leaf. And with the launch of the Blue Switch campaign locally, Nissan continues to reinforce their electrification messaging that helps address societal and environmental concerns. I can't wait to see more of Nissan's innovations that will help make Filipinos' daily lives easier and more sustainable. I'm very happy to have this unique experience with the Nissan Leaf. Thank you, Nissan Philippines, for this memorable moment.